While I was streaming on Twitch, I got the question, how can I get from 2000 to 2200 in rating? At the time I wasn't able to give an answer that I was satisfied with, but I decided to make a video on the topic because I realized that it might be helpful to others who are wondering about the same thing. Having some experience from other sports, I think we can learn something from them. In almost every other sport than chess, there's a set list of skill requirements that have been well documented. For instance, we know that you have to be very fast in order to be able to compete at the top level in soccer, and you need a decent amount of strength as well as flexibility too in order to perform and avoid injuries. So what exactly are the requirements for chess? For the sake of simplicity, I have narrowed it down to these 4 areas of skill: calculation, blindfolded ability, positional judgment, and knowledge. You could argue that knowledge is not a skill, but that has no relevance for the point that I'm trying to make in this video. As the hypothetical graph shows, the skill difference between a 2000 player and a 2200 player is not that big. The cleanest way to improve for the 2000 player in this case would probably be to strive towards closing the skill gap between him or herself and the 2400, since it's much easier to find the differences in the last mentioned case. So how good are you at visualizing, recognizing tactical patterns, evaluating positions, etc.? You need to compare yourself with people that have accomplished the goal that you are trying to achieve. If you don't have any high-rated friends, consider hiring a coach so that you can test yourself against. There are many books with unique exercises on each topic, so finding the material shouldn't be problematic. I hope that answered your question.